A great action has succeeded in carving up the Simpang Keramat land. A new port, as a special one, has successfully built in Matanjaya village, Simpang Hilir district, Kayong Utara Regency, West Borneo. This construction, which has carried out since the end of 2019, in creating a special port with various facilities. So welcome to our new port. Activities at this port have been done nicely by all our employees, specifically the 25 employees who reside there. Each individual has been provided with all the knowledge and equipment based on standard operational procedure. This new project itself has an area of 39,763 meters square with 59,768 meters square of transit area. There are 3 jetty, SKA, SKB, and SKC, which are built parallel to the edge of the port. As you can see, all the tugboats and barge units have been neatly arranged along the port. On the other hand, at the land side, several facilities have built to provide activities. That watch tower, which has strategically stood on the edge of the port, allows the supervisor to monitor all activities clearly. The temporary shelter, closed shed, power plant house, offices, all are available and can be used timely. The Marine Office was built with area of 3,237 meters square and provided with all standard office stuff such as computers, handy talkies, closed-circuit television, speedboats that already support better performance by the marine team. Let's move to the barging process. Our stockpiles are available to accommodate as much as 700,000 metric tons materials with 17 kilometers of distance and 250,000 metric tons with 500 meters of distance. Our material is intended for barge with the largest size of 250 feet with a max height of 3.2 meters and available to load around 3,800 metric tons material. This condition leads us to make our shipment achieve up to 300,000 metric tons per month. Beside the support of place and equipment, all coordination that runs clearly and regularly among operators, supervisor, and other team has succeeded in expediting the budgeting process. We put our hope to this new port so that we'll have more strategic roles in processing our shipment. And finally, with all both the great port and efforts, we are ready.